Welcome back to my channel. It's Fiona. So since it's a new video, it means it's a new diet, new workout, and today's video is based on Jennie's comeback diet and workout. So for those of you who do not know who Jennie is, she's one of the members from the famous Korean girl group BLACKPINK. They're very talented, very beautiful, well known worldwide. And I've been flipping through some channels and doing some research to find out a little bit more information about her workout, and I've noticed a lot of you have done this diet and workout, so I did some more research and find out some more information. So what I noticed is that for breakfast she has an avocado salad with a detox drink. For lunch and dinner it's usually a low sodium, low sugar meal. And on top of that, she does Pilates for exercise, and she also dances. So I'm going to try my best to mimic her diet and workout, and I'm going to see how my body changes, the process of it, and I want you to see too and the results of it. So let's start. Ding ding ding. This is just a quick disclaimer. These diets I do not recommend. I'm only doing it to feed my own curiosity and see how my body changes. If you ever want to do diets, I recommend that you do your own research and maybe seek professional help. So yes, be careful and stay safe. Okay guys, first meal of the day, and it's the avocado salad. Let me mix it up a bit with the lemon, chicken, and then here's my green tea. Momo, stop. Stop. That's just my dog in the background. Hey. The lemon really did something. The olive oil really did something. This is surprisingly good. This is so fresh. Chef's kiss. So this is just peach and some baked fish with cayenne pepper and black peppers. Tastes pretty good. Not bad. A little bland, but okay. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So as you can see, I lost weight. My waist measurement has shortened. I noticed a slight change in my tummy area. I'm a little bit more skinnier in my leg area. I didn't have any side effects. I didn't feel any irritation, moodiness. On top of that, I didn't feel hunger. So that's good. What's good about this diet is that I'm able to eat whatever I want as long as it's low in sodium, low in sugar, and healthy and not deep fried. But the downside of it is that the food is bland. Like the first day when I had the avocado salad with the lemon juice and olive oil and pepper, it was great. It tasted fresh, it tasted new. But then when the second day came, it just tasted bland and boring, and I didn't eat that much of it. So yeah, so most of my food, I didn't put much salt or sugar in it. Mostly peppers and olive oil. But I never felt hungry, which I liked. I felt like I ate healthier. Oh, and I only drank water. And for those 2 days, I did Pilates for 20 minutes each day. That's it. If you have any suggestions for new diets or workout, just let me know and I'll try to do it and let you see the results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!